Hey.
Ndinakuona kuti tiri kushanda here maijoni ndapana mama wangu nababa handivatengeseri. These are my parents. I don't sell. God will punish me. Hey, dzimafoni yako oti msindo madhana veteta. More nice. Yeah, this is for Miss V. We thank God, Mama. Mama, we want to thank you so much for your love. And Father, this is my father. I said, if I see your child, is my brother. We are children. So I'm gonna test this.
How much is it? Amazilo, ends up from 100 rand. Oh,
Mama one.
From 100 rand.
Okay, it's a 2 minutes of inside. Now, these are for custom.
Oh, okay, Mama.
These are
Thanks, Mama.
go. I go. Even if I were here every morning.
Oh, they said of me now. That's it. Yeah. Yeah. Marano na mata ina nyepe. God, I pray, is faithful.
Oh,
It's working, Mama.
oh.
Okay. My mother.
Yeah.
So, Tata, you come after 1 hour.
1 hour.
What she says, she doesn't leave money so far. So after 1 hour, you're gonna come, Mama. Okay. So that me and my wife, I'm gonna take some of my money around and make some business.
About 2 o'clock.
No, what is time now?
Okay.
Past 10.
Oh, that's about 2.
Thank you, brother. 10, 11, 12, given 4 hours instead of 1 hour and under GMO. Thanks, Tata.
John. Yeah.
He's also Jonga, Tata.
Oh.
Faram.
He's also Jonga, Tata.
Oh.
You go board out here.
Spirit.
No, that is a and John. Laba leyanjonga element ukuhamba ekwenza you look at the element. Can you see some bubbles? Liyabona aba bubbles?
Yes.
Liyabona? So yasebenza phela.
Oh, yasebenza hayi right.
So if bendingajaki ka ndibe ndizofakela
hayi fakela kwakho sayithatha.
Oh, ndikufakele.
Yafakela.
Oh, ndiyabonga tata. When you come that time ndizabe sengiyilungisile.
Okay, I get.
Thank you, Father. I want to leave it until it weighs.
How much?
This one. I'm giving you, Mama.
Oh.
I'm another.
Okay, go. Yes.
Ndiyakupa mama wami.
Okay, go. Stop.
Thank you, Mama.
Yeah.
I love you.
Siyabulela nathi. Sabuya ngo-2.
Alright.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
yeah, you will.
Okay.
So guys, this is my mother. It's all people. I'm the one who has been chosen. She came angari rekanibopfeko magraza